This is the 28-inch large suitcase by LUGGEX, and it is brand new and never been used, but you can see that there are dust marks and little marks, but that's okay. It's a really nice suitcase. As you can see, it has some really nice touches on it, like rubber feet, so if you wanted to put it on its side, it's gonna sit well. Of course, it's only on one side of the luggage, not on that side. You've got handle, you've got a handle here. Not the easiest handle to use, but it is there to help get it off the conveyor belts at the airport. So you've got it on the top, you've got it on that side, so you don't have it on this side. And let's see if it is on the bottom, and nothing on the bottom. So you've got it on two sides. What I really like about this suitcase is that it has these metal reinforcements, which really help to make sure, because it is polycarbonate, it does get dented. I have another one that gets dented and I have to undent it all the time, so hoping that's gonna protect it really well. It's got your TSA lock here, where this zippers go right in there and you can lock it. It's also expandable, about 2 inches, as you can see. So it gets really big. I think at that point it's going to be too big for the airline anyways. The wheels are these double 360 wheels. Moves around really nicely without any trouble. It is very boxy look, which I really do like, because you can rest bags on top and it's just maximizing the space and the use. But another thing to mention here is that there is a limited 3-year warranty, which also helps. And it says 12-hour response time by customer service. Good strong handle as well. So I really do like this luggage, and I'm going to be looking to purchase the carry-on to match. I'll take pictures of the inside.
Hi, I just want to give a quick live look of this luggage carry-on bag, and it looks very nice looking, and the quality, I love it. And I have it unzipped a little bit, and it's got a expandable hard shell suitcase. Like it's great. It's got 4 aluminum corners, and yeah, but I'll show you a little bit. I have it open already, and it's a lot of space, but you know what I mean? There's all kinds of spots to put stuff, and you know what I mean? And this, you could carry this right on the plane with you, or these are just convenient, and I'll show you the expandable part. I have it a little bit like undone. That's just, you got a little bit more than what you picked up extra stuff, and sometimes, suitcases could be hard, and that can come in handy, and it locks too, but I just wanted to give you a quick live look, and you know what I mean, the handle can go up higher, and it's just really great quality. I love it. It'll help keep, definitely your stuff protected. You can have this sitting like a briefcase, or the opposite way, but even the tires, it's easy movable, but just a very nice suitcase, carry on. But anyway, I just thought I'd give you a quick live look, and wherever you're watching from, have a great morning or a great evening. Thanks for watching my video review.
So, the main reason I bought this, because I trusted the dimensions. I'm comparing it with my current carry-on, and the dimensions on Amazon are just wrong. This is significantly smaller than my current carry-on. That is obviously damaged, and that's why I was buying a new one. Width-wise, it was accurate, but the whole point was for me to get a carry-on that was the same size, and for some reason that is impossible to find out. It's directly above, yeah, there's like a solid inch or two right there.